Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the app icon on your Samsung S25 FE or any other latest One UI 8 device. By default, you can see set the app icon on your device. If you want to apply the different app icon style, follow this tutorial. So if you want to use the default app icon, you can easily see how it looks. To change it, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap on the themes. Now here you can find the icons at the bottom middle, so tap on it. Now here you can see the list of different icon you want to apply. So download your favorite. So first of all, tap on the top tab. In the drop down box you can select the all, paid app icon or free. So we select the free here. Let's see the app icon you want to apply to your Samsung S25 FE. So select the app icon. If you want to set a dark theme or glass icon theme like iPhone, select your favorite icon. Like we select this app icon in my device. Here you can see how it looks on your phone. Also, when you swipe down, you can see the list of different icon theme style on your device. So like we select dark theme, so we select this on my device. Now here you can see the download trial or here is the paid theme. So we select the free theme. Again we select this option. Now tap on the download option to download it the Samsung device. Now tap on apply button. Now applying this theme, my app icon. Now when you open the app drawer, you can see it will apply to the different application on your device. But in this theme, you see this can't apply to all application icon. So you need to find the application app icon. Go to tab all free. Now we select different icons. Top free. Now we select this type of app icon. Now tap on a download button. Now tap on apply button. It will apply. Here you can nature 3D reflection app icon. So wait on your device. Now you can see it will apply to all the home screen and the app drawer on my device. All the application icon. So you can easily change this type of app icon on your device. If you want to get back the default theme again follow tap and hold the black space on the home screen. Tap on a themes. Tap on a menu at the bottom right corner. Tap on my stuff at the top. Go to icons and here you can find the list of default icon or downloaded icon list. So tap on the default, tap on apply, and it will apply to the default app icon to your Samsung S25 FE or any other Samsung device. Now you can get back the default app icon on your Samsung phone. Quite easy to change the app icon style on your Samsung S25 FE. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.